In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start blogging with Blogger, also known as Blogspot. Whether you're just beginning your blogging journey or you're looking to launch a new creative outlet, Blogger is an excellent platform that's easy and straightforward to use. Let's dive into getting your blog started and setting it up for success. First things first, you'll need to set up your blog. Head over to blogger.com and sign in with your Google account. This will give you access to one of the simplest blogging platforms available. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to create a new blog. Click that New Blog button. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your blog, so choose a title that reflects your content and resonates with your audience. Next, you'll select an address for your blog. This will be your unique URL, ending with blogspot.com. If your preferred address isn't available, try different variations or get creative with identifiers that still make sense for your content. Finally, pick a theme that visually represents your style and click Create Blog. Congratulations, you've just set up your blog. Now that your blog is created, you'll find yourself in the dashboard. This is essentially your blogging headquarters. Here, on the left sidebar, you'll see various tools like Overview, Posts, Pages, Theme, Layout, and Settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these sections as they'll be your go-to resources for managing your blog. The next exciting step is writing your first post. Navigate to the Posts section and click on the New Post button. This will open the Compose editor, which you can use to draft your blog post. The editor is user-friendly. What you see is what you get. But if you're comfortable with HTML, you can switch to that view for more control over your content. Give your post a catchy title to draw in readers and format your content with paragraphs, bullet points, or lists where necessary. Don't forget to enrich your post with images or videos to make it more engaging. On the right-hand side, you can add labels, which function as tags or categories, and a short search description to help with SEO. When you're all set, choose whether to publish your post immediately or schedule it for a later time. Customizing your blog to match your unique style is the next step. Under the Theme section, you can choose or modify a theme that fits your brand aesthetic. Remember, you aren't locked into one look. You can always update it later. Then, head to Layout, where you can add or rearrange gadgets like a search bar, followers list, or label clouds. These elements not only personalize your blog, but also enhance usability. Finally, visit the Settings section. Here you can update details like your blog's title and description, manage privacy settings, and determine how you moderate comments. Also, be sure to enable search engine visibility to attract new readers. And there you have it. Your blog is set up and ready to go live on the internet. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging!